What you doing, Weez? So I know I've been missing, been a lot going on. So I guess first thing, I'm kind of down and out a little bit. I got the snip, so yeah, I ain't been feeling too good. What else? Oh, got some of my content on Amazon Prime Video now. Posted it on some social media, had a lot of mixed comments, I guess. I think people think that I'm gonna leave YouTube and go there, or leave YouTube and go to something else. And really, that's not the case. It's just one more place for me to post the content that I make. And I put a lot of time into this. I kind of want to get it out everywhere. You know, not everybody watches YouTube, not everybody's on Facebook. So it's just one more place. If you want to help me out, go over to Prime Video. If you got Prime, Amazon Prime, go over to Prime Video, search Hot Rod. You should be able to find me and add my videos to your playlist. More stuff coming soon. May even do like some one-off like features. Like the problem with the channel is it's hard for me to feature other creators without people getting confused on who the channel's about. So I might do some like full-on like hour-long movie style features over there. I don't know, we'll see. So what else has been going on? Weld Tables invited me to Atlanta for Workbench Con. Weld Tables had a booth with Armor Tools. They invited me to come down, hang out for 2 days. It's a pretty cool event. Mainly around like the woodworking scene. And man, is there a scene? There's like a whole culture around that. A bunch of influencers down there. So I mean, I didn't really fit in, but it was a very cool event for sure. What you think, Weez? So I think that's pretty clean. I guess one last thing to consider is that Heather's due any day now, so child number 4 should be here anytime, and that will probably affect upload schedule just slightly. I mean, I gotta make videos, so as always, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys soon. Go do work, son.